Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's technology tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to map a shared folder in Windows. So we'll follow the process shown in the video, and please subscribe and like for the more videos. So go through that. So now I have another system. Let me check the IP address of my system first. So IP IP config, this is IP 192.168.1.3, and I have another system that is 1.4. I am accessing that system 1.4. So I need a username and password. My username password and different from Chirag. So administrator admin@123. So I am able to access the another system. Let me check the IP address. Oh, IPC1FIG. Yeah. So this is the IP address of the another system. Okay. I want to access a folder from this system and map to that folder to my system. Okay. So let me share one folder. So there is one folder. I will create one folder, new folder, new, and right click on that folder, that is space, and go to the new, and there is a folder. So I'm creating the folder for share in network. So I'm giving the name anything. So just right click on that, properties, sharing, advanced sharing. I'm just sharing this folder, permission, allow, apply, okay, apply, okay. Then I will get a network path. So just copy this path. So this is the path, and alternate path will be here. I will put the IP address 192.168.1.4. So I'll map this drive to my network. So just copy any both the path. Just keep this and go to your system. Right click on this PC, and there is one option is map network drive. So click on the map network drive if you ask you the folder path. So like this. So I'm giving the with the IP address or with the name also you can access. So I'm giving this one, and there is option to finish. So it will ask you the username and password for the network drive. So here I will just give administrator 123. So now you can able to see the network drive is mapped, and there is it is showing this folder is empty now. I'm just creating one file. Hello network map drive folder. Okay, hello network map drive folder. I'm going to close this one, and now I'm going to the another system. Here you can able to see, you can access that file. Okay, so this means this file, this folder is shared in network, and I can able to access with the particular network. Okay, so where you can access. So like this we can map this one, and it will be visible your network location in your system. There is a network location will be there. See, here in the network location you can see, the able to see, you can view in the tiles, it will look good. So there my C drive, my D drive, and there is a for the share folder drive. This is a, you can check with the path also. Okay, whatever the size and everything, it will show you to you. So in this video we have learned how to map a share folder in the in Windows, and please subscribe and like for the more videos. Thank you for watching.